The Aiper Seagull Pro Pool Cleaner is an advanced and highly efficient robotic pool cleaner designed to simplify and enhance the pool cleaning experience. With its cutting-edge features and intelligent technology, the Seagull Pro offers a hassle-free solution to maintaining a sparkling, clean pool. One of the standout features of the Aiper Seagull Pro is its powerful cleaning capability. Equipped with high-speed motor and a superior suction system, this pool cleaner effectively removes dirt, leaves, debris, and even fine particle from the pool's walls, floor, and waterline. Its powerful brushes scrub and loosen stubborn dirt, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The Seagull Pro operates cordless, and it also has an intelligent navigation system. It utilizes advanced algorithms and sensors to map the pool's dimensions and to create an efficient cleaning routine. It also incorporates a large capacity filter basket that effectively traps and retains debris. To clean it, just rinse it out with water. Overall, the Aiper Seagull Pro Pool Cleaner is a top-of-the-line robotic pool cleaner that combines powerful cleaning capabilities with intelligent features. It offers convenience, efficiency, and outstanding performance, making it an excellent choice for pool owners looking to maintain a pristine pool without the manual effort.